Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. As you all know that our country is suffering due to floods, right? Many people suffer due to these floods. They get homeless, right? So, firstly, let's pray for them. May God give them more power or more strength to overcome this problem. Secondly, there is a very good and big news for our country, that is we have successfully launched our Chandrayaan 3. It is a great achievement for our country, beta. Uh, Maybe right now you don't know the advantages of this, but in future you will get to know that how much benefits are there if it gets successful. Okay, so rather than this, let's move to our study. Let's start with your computer class. We have already read chapter 4, and that is formatting a document in Word 2016. So let me tell you how we can do it on our PCs. So let's get started. So this is the screen that you will see when you open the MS Word. Okay, you already know the method to open any application, right? I have told you earlier that we can use start button. Here we got the list of our applications, and we can select whatever application we want to open, right? The another way is that we have a option of type here to search in the taskbar, right? So here there we can write word, and when we press enter, the MS Word will be open. Okay, so these are the methods to open any application. So this is the MS Word. I have already opened it for you. So we will discuss it one by one. We will discuss each and every detail about MS Word that is necessary for you. So let's get started. First, here this bar. Can you see the cursor? Here is the cursor. I can move this cursor. I can move this cursor with the help of mouse. Okay. So this is called title bar. Here you can see the title or the name of the Word file or document, right? You can change it according to your choice. When you save the file from here you get the save option or save as option. We will use save. Okay, one dialog box will open like this. Okay, here we can change its name, like here I am giving my name to this document, and then we'll press save, and now you can see here the name of the document has been changed from document 1 to Bhavna. Okay, so this is called title bar. Now here we have a menu bar. Menu bar where we have many tabs, like here first we use home tab. So let me tell you what is a home tab and how many tools it contains. Okay, so mainly basically the tools are in this home tab only. That basic tools that we need to make any assignments are present in home tab. So before starting formatting any text, we have to write the text, right? So let me write the text for you first. As I just want to tell you how we can format the text, so I don't need to write it myself. There is a shortcut. When we just want to learn to format the text, we can use this shortcut to write any text. So the shortcut is, we have to press equal to RAND, then bracket start, and how many paragraphs we need, we have to write the number of paragraphs. Like I need 2 paragraphs here only, and then bracket close, and I'll press enter. So here the Word has given me text by itself. Okay, so now I will show you, but whenever you are learning about MS Word, I suggest you to type yourself so that your typing speed will also increase. Okay, correct? So let's start with the font change. We have the first question, that is, what are the various ways in which you can format the font? So let's start, how can we format the font? So as you can see here on the insert tab, so we are whatever paragraph it is, I want to change its handwriting, change its size, I want to make it bold or whatever. So first thing is I have to select the paragraph. So how can we select? By clicking on the mouse and by dragging the mouse till where, till जहाँ तक हमने अपना पैराग्राफ सेलेक्ट करना है. ओके, right? The another way is like here I am selecting the whole paragraph, whatever I have written in the document I have selected it all, right? So for that the shortcut key is Control plus A. The shortcut key to select all the text present in the document is Control plus A. Okay, now I want to change its format type, font type first. So what will I do? Here I can see the font name are present. Here is the arrow. When I click on this arrow, different format or different fonts will open. See, जैसे I am moving my cursor, the font is getting changed, right? You can see, yes. So here I am selecting like Time New Roman. This is the most commonly used font. Okay, so I am selecting Time New Roman. Now the size, I want to change the size. So here we have a option of font size. Again we have a arrow here. We will click on this arrow and different font size will be open here. Okay, so basic font size will be 14, 12, 11 to 14. So we will make it 12 or 14. So now you can see the font size is also changed. Okay, now here we have an option of BIU. So B is for bold, I for italic and U for underline. When you move your cursor on anything, बेटा जो भी ऊपर टूल्स दिए हैं, when you take your cursor on that tool, तो you can see उसके नीचे पूरी डिटेल आ जाती है उसकी कि that for what thing we use that. Okay, सिर्फ इसी के नहीं, अगर आप इसके ऊपर भी करके देखोगे तो it has written कि इसका क्या यूज़ होता है. इवन शॉर्टकट कीज़ कीबोर्ड की भी हमारी इसी के साथ लिखी होती है. Okay, so firstly we will use bold. We will see what happens with it. Okay, so now you can see your text get bold, ज़्यादा डार्क हो गया, right? Now we will use italic and it gets tilt, slightly ये tilt हो गया. हम slanting lines बनाते थे ना in the nursery, तो ये भी उसी की तरह थोड़ा सा tilt हो गया, right? तो when you see, you can see here B के ऊपर भी थोड़ी सी darkness and there is darkness in I. That means these are selected. When I again click on B, तो it gets unselected and bold भी हमारा option gone. Okay. Again if I do and I will if I unselect italic, तो it's again get straight, right? Now what is the use of underline? Underline, as its name is showing, कि सारा का सारा हमारा जो है टेक्स्ट वो अंडरलाइन हो जाएगी. And if you don't want to underline the whole text, you want to underline only one or two words, so what you will do, you will select that word by pressing and dragging the mouse. Okay, like here insert tab, I want to make it bold and underline, so I will select only insert tab, and now you can see the difference between the other font and insert tab fonts, right? Okay, so this is the use of font type, font size, bold, italic and underline. Correct? So moving to the next question, what is meant by text highlighting? Highlight, we have used highlighters in our classes, है ना? We have a sketch pens और highlighter जिसके according हम highlight कर लेते हैं वो चीज़ें, that topics that teacher told us कि it is important and it is necessary, right? So here also in our document we can highlight the things that which are important. Highlight, what is the meaning of highlighting? The meaning of highlighting is to give the color to the background of the text, है ना? So why we give the color to the background of the text? To catch the reader attention. जो हाईलाइट की होगी चीज़ें वो पढ़ने में ईजी होंगी और दूर से दिखाई देंगी, राइट? सो अगेन हियर आई एम लेट्स टेक अनदर वर्ड like document. Here I want to highlight this word. So what will I do? I just select the word. Here we have the option of highlighter. See, when I bring my cursor there, it's showing all the detail of this tool. Text highlight color. Make text look like it was marked with the highlighter pen. So when we click on it, so you can see we got a background color of our text. We can also change the color according to our choice. Here we have an arrow. When we press this arrow, we got so many options that we can select and highlight our text. Like here I have selected purple and now I will click on it. So I got a purple highlighter pen. So we have many options in this highlight pen. Okay, clear? So why we highlight? To get the reader's attention. दूर से दिखाई दे चीज़ तो हम उसको highlight कर लेते हैं. Next question is differentiate between superscript and subscript. So what is superscript and subscript? Here you can see the both option. This is called subscript and this is called superscript. Okay, this is called subscript and this is called superscript. So let's discuss what is superscript, what is subscript. So here I am removing all this text and I am writing a class. Your class is 4th. Okay, select th and use this option superscript. We have to take our cursor on superscript and click on it. So can you see what happens? Your th that goes slightly above the text, right? Small letter में हो गया और text के थोड़ी सी ऊपर चला गया. We often use this when we make the assignments of maths. We often write x power 2. So often we use it in a mathematics to make mathematics assignment where we have to write it as a power of the x. So here I have written x and I have to make this 2 as a power of the x. So what will I do? I will select the 2 and then click on this superscript option and it becomes x power 2, right? And what about subscript? Subscript is just opposite of superscript. Like we write the formula of water in science is H2O. H2O is the formula of water. Here 2, we have to make the 2 as in the foot of the or in the we have to put the 2 in the foot of the H. So we will use subscript option. We have to select 2 and then click on the subscript and you can see the 2 has gone slightly below our text. So this is subscript and superscript. Superscript when we write the character slightly above the normal text and subscript is when we write the character slightly below the normal text.